Windows Movie Maker is a free program that is pre-installed on all Windows machines. To begin, you must first find and open Movie Maker. Depending on your version of Windows, Movie Maker can be found by clicking on the Start button and then clicking on All Programs. If it's not here, try looking in the Accessory folder. With Movie Maker, creating a video happens in 3 easy steps: import, edit, publish. When working in Movie Maker, there are 4 main screens that we are going to focus on: the task pane on the left, the organizer in the top center, the preview window on the right, and the storyboard/timeline at the bottom. Note, the timeline is for more advanced users and we will not be using it today. Before we import any media, I would suggest that you first create a new folder on your computer and copy all media, pictures, videos, and music into that folder. This will help keep you organized throughout the project. Now let's get started. To import media, click on Import Media. Select your media and click Import. This is a raw video and needs to be cleaned up a bit. Click on the clip in the organizer to pull it up in the preview window. Here we can play the clip and scan through it by clicking here, the playhead, and dragging it back and forth. We want to remove a small portion at the end of the video. Pause the video where you want the clip to end. To the right of the play button is the split button. Clicking here will split the clip into 2 pieces. Since the front end of the clip is the part that we want to keep, click on it and drag it into the storyboard. Now let's give this clip a title slide by clicking on the titles and credits in the task pane. Here we are going to add a title at the beginning. Notice when we type it, it shows up in the preview window. Here we can also edit the font and text color. So we're going to play around with it a little bit to get a few different options just to see how it looks. When you are finished, click on Add Title. Notice that it has appeared as a new clip in the beginning of the storyboard. Let's go through the same process to add end credits. Click on Add Title and notice it as a new clip at the end of the storyboard. It is time to save the project. Click on File and then Save As. Give it a title and browse to find your project file. Saving it this way will allow you to go back and edit it later. To post online, burn to DVD, or email, we will need to publish the project. To publish your movie, click on Publish above the organizer. For best quality, we are going to publish it to this computer. Browse to find your project folder and click on it. Then click Next. There are a few save options to choose from, but we are selecting Best Quality Playback on my computer. Click Publish. The video will take a few minutes to render. Once it is complete, your project is done. Now sit back, relax, and watch the movie we just created. Creating videos in the classrooms help make projects more authentic and exciting. Videos can be used in a variety of ways. For example, reflective journaling, like video podcasting or video blogging. Students can record their thoughts on different exhibits and record the summary of their visit. Students can create commercials that highlight pivotal events in West Virginia history. Another idea is to have students create public service announcements. They can also do historical reenactments and other media presentations related to curriculum. Teachers should feel free to develop their own ways of incorporating video projects in their classroom.